guys. It's changing a lot. Wow. Yeah, look back there. It's like the sun is blowing the clouds away. At least around there. Yeah. Not over here yet. And not over here yet. Probably. Let's go for it. Minutes past 8, so it is actually rised already 5 minutes ago over there, but I can't see him, only the beautiful art that it's making in the sky and in the clouds when it rises. Oh yeah, the sun is really coloring the sky now. Everybody's got their hearts in their shadows and their head is stuck up in the sky. Oh, here is the doves. Beautiful. The 3 doves that normally rise about this time every morning. Never see happy people in the rain. You never see smiling faces. Look over there now, guys. My mighty gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's stunning. She is. Hooray! Round circle, a ball of fire. And I'm sorry to say that to you out there, guys, all of you crazy people that really believe that this earth is flat. Please. It is so sad. Most of you are from America actually, and it's even more sad. Use your brain. Not your imagination. Dramatic. guessing we can see her soon. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. My.